Some new improvements have come to the HRC this semester that will benefit students when they come to work out. Butler's Health and Recreation Complex experienced several new updates over the break, with new machines, a renovation of the basketball courts, and a refurbished workout area upstairs next to the track.
But we actually also have a lot of new equipment that we replaced / moved over the summer. So I guess the ground floor here is a lot of new equipment.
I think they're fantastic. We've got all this new equipment out here. It's getting a lot of use by the gym rats, and we've got a whole new section upstairs where you can go for more of a private workout. I think everyone's been enjoying that.
Over the summer, different parts of the HRC were closed for these renovations. They were met with positive reactions.
A new and updated court is going to be great, not just for basketball, but volleyball, indoor pickleball, a lot of sports and activities like that.
The new machines were installed May 27th and 28th. The full replacement of the two basketball courts started on June 23rd. This included a refreshed surface of both courts, bringing new energy for basketball players using the courts.
Just new things entice new people. So I think it'll be good for people to start new habits, especially with the new school year.
Just having newer stuff and not an old beat-up basketball court or dirty, grimy equipment. It goes a long way.
These new upgrades will hopefully attract more students to the HRC, either to work out or shoot some hoops.
I've noticed groups growing. We'll have 10 or 15 people meet out here.
With these new additions, students are looking at other areas that the HRC can improve, especially with the pool and around the aquatic center. For the Butler Collegiate, I'm Multimedia Reporter Eliza West.